We've just boarded the Disney Treasure and I can't wait to share all of the details with you. Hi, I'm Erin with the Vacationeer, and today we get to show you our brand new, beautiful Deluxe Family Oceanview with Veranda. This is a room that sleeps up to 5 and it has those famous double bathrooms, so there's lots of great space for families. Come on, I want to show you some of the details that make this room super functional and of course magical, because this is a Disney cruise. So when you walk into the room, you have your closets on this side and your bathrooms on this side, and we'll get into those a little bit later, but let's walk through and take a look at the sleeping quarters. We're on room 8150, and on the 8th deck, there is Encanto and Up-themed staterooms.
The main sleeping area is a comfy Eurotop queen bed that transforms into its own space with the pull of a curtain. The side tables include easy access to lighting and multiple outlets for charging all of your smart devices. And the kiddos don't have to worry. There is a 43-inch screen TV where you can watch all of your Disney favorites.
A tip we like to share with all of our clients is that these beds are built to fit your luggage underneath. So once you've got those bags unpacked, go ahead and put your luggage up under the bed and get it out of your way. When we're taking a look around this side of the room, what you don't know when you're just looking at it is this couch actually becomes a bed. And then up here, where this tiny little circle is, that is a latch to bring down your bunk. And then this is your 5th sleeper over here. This whole thing actually lays out into a Murphy bed. But what's really nice, they didn't waste any space. They gave us another closet. I love all of the storage space. It is a 7-night cruise, so having all of this room and all of this space is just so nice for a family. One of the best things of all is this room is transformed day and night. This is what it will look like during the day. This is what it will look like at night when you're ready to go to bed. Completely transformed. The vanity is such a wonderful space, lots of storage up in the shelving, and then there's lots of drawers here in the vanity. This big drawer right here is actually your refrigerator, really just meant for your snacks and drinks, not a whole lot more. We've got an extra drawer here, little drawers here, but this is a very important drawer. This is your stationery drawer, and you've got some stationery, envelopes, pen, one of my favorite pens ever. We've actually got some really cute postcards. Look at those. And then this is something everybody's going to want to see. This is actually your breakfast room service menu. You can fill this out the night before and hang it out on your door. They request it out before 3 a.m. You can check what time you want your room service and what you would like to have. Service is included with your Disney cruise. We can't forget about our balcony. This is a very child-safe lock. Sometimes I have trouble getting a hold of it. Let's take a look.
Your veranda is the perfect place for morning coffee, midday reading, or seeing the sights as you pull into Castaway Cay.
In the bathroom closest to the hallway, you actually have your toilet and a sink. So if we take a look in here, so here's our sink area. We've got some extra shelves here, a fully lit mirror. We also have our toilet in here. What's really nice about this bathroom is that you've got a main light and a night light. So if I was to turn off the main light, I can still see where my feet are at night. It's really great. In the second bathroom, we actually have a full-length mirror over here so that you can see what you look like after you've gotten ready. And this is our tub shower combo. I love that the Disney cruises have these tubs. We've got all of these little ones, but it's a big, really spacious shower for a cruise ship. And of course, it's got our H2O products. And we have another sink for getting ready in here, along with additional shelving and lots of towels, closets. We've got lots of hangers, but also lots of shelves in here. We've already got some of our bags in here because this is where they go. Plenty of room. Your safe's in here. And then I've not seen these drawers before. These are really handy. I like that there are additional drawers in the closets, and then lots of nice wooden hangers over here. This is where your life jackets are in case you needed to retrieve those. This one actually opens up into a full-size closet with more hanger space. We've got some of our stuff in here already. Lots and lots of room. This is actually the ladder that they will get for your upper berth, but your room attendant will set that up for you. These additional shelves give you so much space to put things, which is really nice.
The Deluxe Family Oceanview with Veranda is the perfect stateroom for your next cruise. If you want to explore more of the Disney treasure, visit our playlist. And if you're interested in planning services that include complimentary onboard credit, reach out to the Vacationeer at vacationeer.com/YouTube. Thanks for joining us. We hope to see you again soon.